Okay, so you're like me and you own a tent business and you've built up most of your tent inventory to be marquee tents. Now, how do you market them? How do you maximize that inventory? Well, I'm gonna give you a unique trick that I use. Let's get into it. Whoa. And for those of you who don't know, I'm Lee. I'm the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. I started a party rental business about 4 years ago from this house, actually the garage of this house. And I built my way up to be a medium-sized tent business in my area. Now, why start with marquee tents? When you have marquee tents, then you can join them together to make bigger tents. So you don't have to own little tents and big tents. You can just own multiple marquee tents and string them up side by side to make the big ones. So you could start with one 20 by 20 or one 20 by 30 or one 20 by 40 high peak frame tent. And then you can add two and it becomes double as big. Or the weekend that happens, someone just needs a smaller tent, then they can use the smaller one. But if someone comes up and they need more, then you can do the bigger one. Or you could do two smaller ones, or you can do different layouts, and that's what we're getting into. So let's talk about that stuff. I'm at my shop. It's been busy, but today I've got a cool one that I've been waiting to show you for a long time. Basically, it's about the good weather plan, bad weather plan. I know bad weather can come in a moment's notice or whatever, but it's more so that's just what we call it. We're talking about the bad weather plan, which is a general tent. Okay, so this is a 30 by 80 there for my client, custom design. So that's bad weather. So you can just bundle it all up if, there's very bad weather. And then I designed this for them. Nice little layout. And then if it's good weather, you can use all the same stuff and position the tents a little bit differently so that it looks different. And we don't let them know which one they're getting till like the week of, right? Unless they, insist on it. But we've got the bad weather plan and the good weather plan. So essentially what I do is I design these layouts. People request a quote for a certain amount of people, and then I design them a double layout with all the same items, and then they can choose which one they like better, or we can just roll with how the weather's gonna lay out. The only reason that we can't do the good weather plan on a bad weather day is because the dance floor right there is utilized in the outside. Whereas in the bad weather plan, the dance floor would be utilized on the inside so that you can still dance when it's raining. I designed these on PartyCAD. And now that I've got some videos of all this stuff, next year I'm going to be taking so many bookings for this stuff. C-shaped tents, O-shaped tents, U-shaped tents, L-shaped tents, you got it. And now I'm going to show you a live action bad weather plan and a live action good weather plan. So you can download PartyCAD. I made a whole video about PartyCAD. If you want to just check it out right there, click into that, then that would be great. And go download free PartyCAD and then start making up some CADs for things that you want to, for tent layouts that you want to turn into money. That's it. That's all. You stay classy.